How to clean out your wax pot. You're going to start by turning the wax all the way up to the hottest setting, and for this pot, it's 257 degrees. This will ensure that the wax pours out easily. Once your wax is ready, it will be a thin, soupy consistency. Be careful, the pot will be hot, so make sure you are using proper protection. At this point, you can turn off the wax pot and scrape as much wax as you can possibly get into a tinfoil bowl. You are using a tinfoil bowl because you cannot pour wax down the drain, and it could be hot enough to melt some trash bags. Once you scrape out as much wax as you can possibly get out of the bowl, you can then go in with a dry paper towel and try to remove the rest. Adding a little bit of oil can help. Being careful, since the pot will still be hot at this point, scrape as much as you can out. Once you get the majority, add a little bit more oil and swirl it all around. Then go in with another dry paper towel and get the rest of it out. This will leave you with a clean, shining wax pot ready for your next wax and your next set of wax beads.